Hello, and thanks for joining us for Get Ready to Upgrade to Performance Max today. We've got a lot of great content to share with you. But first, I wanted to introduce myself and welcome the product experts you'll hear from later in the session. I'm Allie, a global product lead on Performance Max. We're also joined by our group product manager, Clayton, and engineering director, Yuan. You may have heard about Performance Max, our newest automated campaign type that helps you capture new customers, grow online sales, in-store visits, or both by unlocking all of Google's ad inventory from a single campaign. Last month, we announced that Smart Shopping and local campaigns will be upgrading to Performance Max later this year. Many of you have already reached out with questions and comments. So today, we want to provide you with the content and insights you need to optimize your new Performance Max campaigns and prepare for the upcoming upgrades. Here's a quick look at what we'll be covering in this session. First, a refresher on Performance Max and how it can help you achieve your marketing goals. Then, we'll share a few case studies that I'm personally very excited about. We'll also walk you through some best practices around creating new Performance Max campaigns. Clayton will join us after to provide an overview of upcoming milestones. And then we'll have Yuan give a sneak peek of the self-upgrade tool that will allow you to upgrade your Smart Shopping and local campaigns in one click. Finally, make sure to stick around because we'll cover FAQs and questions you've submitted at the end of the session. As we've seen this past year, consumer behavior is continuing to change incredibly quickly as they tap into even more channels online and offline before making a purchase. 70% of consumers buy more online now than pre-COVID. And for some purchases, buyers make more than 500 digital touchpoints before making a purchase, all making it harder to reach customers at the right moment. Search interest for near me and online have also converged, making omnichannel behavior the new normal. As customers tap into a variety of places to get inspiration and find what they need, a channel-based approach is no longer enough to drive optimal performance out of your campaigns. Having siloed campaigns means you may miss a key moment to influence intent or lack holistic insights into a customer's full path to purchase, making it difficult to optimize your overall bids and budgets. Not to mention, setting up and managing multiple campaigns across Google's property is a lot of work. With Smart Shopping and local campaigns, you've already been able to tackle many of these challenges by leveraging automation to reach your customers across multiple Google advertising channels. We've built even further upon these existing innovations with Performance Max, the next generation of Smart Shopping and local campaigns. Like Smart Shopping and local campaigns, Performance Max is goal-based, meaning you let the campaign know which marketing objectives and conversion goals to optimize towards. Informed by this information and other inputs you provide, like creative assets, audience signals, Performance Max will determine the optimal Google Ads inventory to serve on. Performance Max helps you find more converting customers across Google Ads inventory, like YouTube, display, search, discover, and more, letting you engage customers efficiently at scale. In fact, based on early testing, advertisers who upgrade Smart Shopping campaigns to Performance Max see an average increase of 12% in conversion value at the same or better return on ad spend. That's amazing. Let's take a look at how Performance Max builds on the existing features of Smart Shopping campaigns to drive even better performance. Performance Max gives you access to more inventory and formats, including YouTube in-stream, search text ads, and discover. And in addition to the bidding options you had with Smart Shopping campaigns, such as maximize online conversions and new customer acquisition, you can now choose to maximize conversions with optional cost per action and optimize for offline-only sales. We've also heard your feedback that you need more transparency into how Google Ads automation is working. You'll get the same great insights that Smart Shopping campaigns have, like Performance Planner. Plus, you'll be able to see what types of audiences, creatives, and other drivers impact performance the most with our new insights page through audience signals or product listing groups reporting. It's been truly amazing to see the results brands are already having with Performance Max, and I'm so excited to share some of these stories with you today. Let's start with Joybird, an online furniture retailer in the US. Joybird was already seeing great results, driving online sales with smart shopping campaigns. To take their campaigns to the next level, Joybird partnered with GoFish, a digital marketing agency, to test Performance Max using best-in-class creatives alongside their product feed. After 10 weeks of testing, Performance Max helped to deliver a 95% lift in revenue at a 40% higher return on ad spend. Joybird has now moved all their smart shopping campaigns to Performance Max. But it's not just online retailers like Joybird seeing great results. Omnichannel retailers can also take advantage of the scale and efficiencies Performance Max brings. Let's take a trip to Slovakia, where omnichannel retailer Sportissimo was an early adopter of Performance Max. Selling sporting goods and apparel, Sportissimo was already running smart shopping campaigns. However, with Performance Max, they saw revenue increase by 49%, while exceeding their average target return on ad spend compared to smart shopping campaigns in the period before. That's great to see. Then there's Estee Lauder, one of the leading beauty brands in the world. Like many other businesses, Estee Lauder was impacted by the pandemic and had to adapt to changing consumer behavior. Having already seen success with search and shopping campaigns, Estee Lauder in Taiwan partnered with Google and Zenith to test Performance Max to expand their reach to more channels, inventory, and ad formats from a single campaign. They ultimately achieved a 2.4 times higher conversion rate and a 45% higher return on ad spend. The beauty brand has now fully replaced smart shopping campaigns with Performance Max, and they see it as a long-term growth engine for increasing Estee Lauder's e-commerce business. These success stories are so exciting to see, and there are so many other stories like these out there. I want to make sure you're set up for success with Performance Max. So in this next section, we'll review some best practices for creating a new Performance Max campaign. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your Google Ads account and create a new campaign as you normally would. Then choose your marketing objective and related conversion goal, such as online sales or store visits. This step is very important since your campaign will optimize towards the goals you select. If you have many goals, you should also set conversion values, which helps Performance Max prioritize conversions based on their relative importance to you. Later, when setting your budget and bidding strategy, you can then choose to optimize towards conversion value with an optional target return on ad spend or conversions with optional target cost per action. Another feature you may already be familiar with is feeds. Like in smart shopping and local campaigns, you can connect a feed such as a Google Merchant Center feed or business data feed to power your Performance Max campaigns. This allows you to promote your products, whether they're online or in store. Once you arrive at campaign settings, you'll come across a feature called Final URL Expansion. Final URL Expansion increases the number of potential auctions your campaign can participate in by surfacing the best landing pages on your website for conversion. It will also dynamically customize your ad headlines to match customers' intent. To maximize your reach, we recommend leaving this setting on. In the next step, you'll also be able to build asset groups composed of text, image, and video assets related to a single theme or audience. For example, you could have one asset group for ski jackets and another asset group for ski goggles. The ad strength indicator will guide you with recommendations on how to optimize your assets. It's important to note that even if your assets are being pulled in from a product feed, it is best practice to provide additional assets. The more high-quality assets you provide, the more ad formats Performance Max can create and the more inventory your ad can appear on. If you have a Google Merchant Center product feed, Performance Max campaigns will be prioritized over existing smart shopping campaigns, as well as standard shopping campaigns and display dynamic remarketing campaigns that cover the same products. That said, To avoid your newly created Performance Max campaigns from competing with already running smart shopping or local campaigns, here are a few tips. First, make sure your new Performance Max campaigns do not have overlapping products or targeting with your existing smart shopping campaigns. Also, make sure there's no overlap in products or creative assets with existing local campaigns if you're targeting the same business locations. On the same page, you have the option to add audience signals, which are highly useful in helping the machine learning ramp up. Your own insights and data, such as remarketing or customer match lists, are some of the most helpful audience signals you can provide here. Finally, like in other Google Ads campaigns, you should include extensions to make your ads more prominent and to provide more details to your customers, such as your locations, other website links, or a phone number to call you. Congrats! You've now learned how to set up a new Performance Max campaign. To account for ramp-up time and conversion delays, we recommend waiting 1 to 2 weeks before evaluating the performance of campaigns with online sales goals. For campaigns with in-store only or omni-channel goals, allow for up to 3 to 4 weeks. Later on, you can visit the new Insights page, which makes it transparent how automation is working in Performance Max to help you achieve your goals. For example, some of the insights you'll get here are search trends related to products and services you show ads for, consumer interest insights, which groups search terms into themes to help you understand what consumers are interested in when your ads appear. And lastly, persona insights, which provide summaries about the audiences that are most performant for your ads. You'll also get reporting on the top creative assets and the audience segments they're resonating with. Using the combinations report, you can see how your top performing assets are building and being combined to build creatives, plus preview how the combination of assets actually serves an ad. All this helps you to understand the unique characteristics of your customers and which creatives and messaging work best to reach them. We have more best practices and how-tos on Performance Max, so check out the resources linked after this program for additional information. Now that we've covered creating new Performance Max campaigns, I'll pass it over to our Group Product Manager, Clayton, to walk you through the upgrade process.
Hey everyone, I'm Clayton. Really glad to be here. I know there's a lot of interest in understanding how to plan for the upcoming upgrades. Let's revisit some important milestones we shared last month. These will help you plan ahead if you're currently running smart shopping or local campaigns. As Ali mentioned, now is a great time to begin using Performance Max if you plan on creating new campaigns. Not only will this give you time to learn how to use and benefit from Performance Max, but it will also prevent you from having to upgrade a new smart shopping or local campaign later in the year. You can continue using your existing smart shopping and local campaigns until you've upgraded them to Performance Max later this year. As a reminder, avoid creating new Performance Max campaigns with overlapping targeting, products, or creatives with your existing campaigns. Within the upgrade period, you'll have the opportunity to use an easy one-click self-upgrade tool before Google automatically upgrades any remaining campaigns for you. This will allow you to control when and how to upgrade while ensuring performance continuity for your campaigns. If you have existing smart shopping campaigns, you'll be able to use the new one-click tool to upgrade to Performance Max starting in April. You'll be able to upgrade your local campaigns with this tool starting in June. From July through September, your smart shopping campaigns will be automatically upgraded for you. Your local campaigns will be automatically upgraded from August through September. You also will no longer be able to create new smart shopping and local campaigns once your existing campaigns are automatically upgraded. The automatic upgrade process will conclude by the end of September, so you're well prepared to use Performance Max for the 2022 holiday season. If you run smart shopping campaigns through e-commerce partners like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce, or through the Google Ads API, stay tuned for more information on getting set up with Performance Max. Moving forward, we'll continue investing in Performance Max as our source of Google Ads innovation. We'll continue to add ways for you to express your goals and the unique expertise you have about your business so that you can help automation work better for you. You can also expect to see new types of insights and explanations to make it easier to understand how your campaign is performing.
That's awesome. Thanks, Clayton. Now we know we're all anticipating the upgrade process. So we're bringing in our last speaker, Yuan, an engineering director here at Google, to give you an exclusive first look at the self-upgrade tool. Keep in mind that some aspects of the tool might look different by the time you're using it. Take it away, Yuan.
Thanks, Ellie. We know many of you have a lot of campaigns to upgrade. So to make the process as easy as possible without interrupting campaign performance, we are rolling out a self-upgrade tool. Once the self-upgrade tool becomes available in your Google Ads account, you will be prompted to upgrade through a notification. You can upgrade directly from the notifications panel or dig in to see more details and upgrade from the recommendations page or campaigns page. You will then have two options to upgrade. You can either bulk upgrade all of your campaigns at once or select specific campaigns to upgrade at the same time. Let's start with the first option, bulk upgrading all of your campaigns. Head to your recommendations page. You will see a card that recommends you upgrade your smart shopping or local campaigns. Clicking apply on this card or any of the other upgrade notifications will allow you to upgrade all your campaigns in one click. Let's click the Apply All button. You will be asked to confirm your choice. Let's click Apply All again. And that's it. At the bottom of the page, you will see confirmation that your campaigns are getting upgraded. You will be notified when the upgrade is complete, which should take less than a day in most cases. Rest assured that your existing smart shopping and local campaigns will continue to run until the upgrade is fully complete. With our state-of-the-art machine learning technology, learnings from these campaigns will be used in your new Performance Max campaigns. This will ensure consistent performance. But let's say you don't want to upgrade all your campaigns at once. You can also select individual campaigns together or one at a time on your recommendations page or campaigns page. Let's head to the campaigns page. Notice here, you will be able to filter for smart shopping or local campaigns. You can also filter with the campaign types column to see upgrade status, such as when campaigns are ready to get upgraded or when campaigns have completed the upgrade. Once you have decided which campaigns to upgrade, you can select them here. Click Edit at the top. Then click Upgrade to Performance Max. Confirm your choice, and you have now upgraded individual campaigns in one sitting. If you have both smart shopping and local campaigns, each campaign will be upgraded to a new independent Performance Max campaign that optimizes to your pre-existing online sales or in-store goals. As you can see, you will be able to see the new Performance Max campaign on your campaigns table. You will still be able to see the old campaign that got upgraded with its historical data. Once you're on the overview page of your new Performance Max campaign, you will find a callout at the top of the page. This will take you to your old smart shopping or local campaign. Similarly, the callout on the old campaigns page will take you back to your new Performance Max campaign. Building this tool has been a labor of love from our engineering teams here at Google. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful, and we look forward to getting you upgraded successfully.
Thanks so much, Yuan, for the fantastic demo. We do have some more time left, so I wanted to get to some questions that you've sent in. Let's start with this one. What happens if I test Performance Max alongside my existing smart shopping or local campaigns? Performance Max will take priority for most inventory, which can undermine overall results and make it hard to evaluate head-to-head performance. When you run a Performance Max campaign, you should turn off any smart shopping or local campaigns with overlapping targeting, products, or creatives. Are asset groups required if I have a Google Merchant Center product feed? No. Asset groups are not required, but in order for you to benefit from the full reach of Performance Max, it is highly recommended that you add several high-quality text, image, and video assets. If you only provide some assets, such as the text and images, we may be able to auto-generate videos based on what you provide. The same goes with headlines and descriptions, which can also be auto-generated based on your provided final URL. If our local campaigns and smart shopping campaigns are in different accounts, but within the same MCC, how does this affect the upgrade process and our historical data? Each local campaign and smart shopping campaign will be migrated to their own new Performance Max campaign. For example, if you upgrade 2 smart shopping and 2 local campaigns, you'll have 4 new Performance Max campaigns. Historical data will still be available in your legacy smart shopping or local campaign. What if I don't want to use multiple formats? Currently, smart shopping and local campaigns serve on multiple formats, and Performance Max is no different. We recommend Performance Max because it brings together the best of Google's automation to optimize across Google's inventory. Individual channel-based campaign types are still available. Speaking of other campaign types, what will happen with standard shopping campaigns? Regular shopping campaigns will still be available. Upgrades will only be available for smart shopping campaigns, and to continue accessing these features you have in smart shopping campaigns, you should upgrade to Performance Max. We'll also update the FAQ section on this event page, so feel free to check it out after. Thanks again for joining us today.